Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
Assalamu alaikum. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Windows 10 or 11 Wi-Fi connectivity issues. But before watching this video tutorial, kindly subscribe on Videos YouTube channel. So let's start our video tutorial. Here are 7 steps to show you how to fix Windows 10 or 11 Wi-Fi connection problem on your laptop PC. Let's move on to laptop screen to show you how you can Windows 10, 11 Wi-Fi connectivity issues step by step. Step 1. Check the status of the internet. At the right bottom of the taskbar, click the Wi-Fi icon. Now, check the status whether it is connected or not. Step 2. Turn off airplane mode. You should make sure that airplane mode should be turned off. From the right bottom of taskbar, click Wi-Fi icon. Airplane mode should be grayed out. Step 3. Set WLAN autoconfig service to automatic. WLAN autoconfig service should be started and set to automatic. Open Run dialog box and type services.msc and hit enter. Scroll down and open Properties of WLAN autoconfig service by double-clicking. You should make sure that the service should be started and set it to automatic. Step 4. Reinstall Wi-Fi driver. From Device Manager, uninstall Wi-Fi drivers. Open Device Manager from search box on taskbar by typing its name. Under Network Adapter, uninstall Wi-Fi driver. After that, right-click on Network Adapter and click Scan for hardware changes. The Windows will automatically revert back the changes made. Step 5. Update driver. From Device Manager, right-click on Wi-Fi device and click Update driver. You can update either automatically or manually. Step 6. Enter network commands in command prompt. Run the following network commands in command prompt as an administrator. Type netch winsock reset and press enter. Type netch int IP reset and press enter.
Type ipconfig/release and press enter. Type ipconfig/renew and press enter.
Type ipconfig forward flash flush DNS and press enter.
Step 7. Uninstall Windows updates. Maybe Windows updates cause the Wi-Fi connection problem. So uninstall Windows updates from control panel. Type control panel in search box on the taskbar and click run. Now click programs, click view installed updates. Select latest update and click uninstall.
Click Yes in the confirmation dialog box to uninstall Windows updates.
Hopefully, this video tutorial helped you in solving this Wi-Fi connection problem. Inshallah. Please subscribe on videos channel. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.